Hello student, welcome to my class of computer science for class 12th. Today we will understand network of computer in which we will understand network layout. So let's begin of the content. Content are as follow. The first one thing we will understand today, what is network layout. We will understand what is layout actually according to the network. Second point, advantage of network layout, in which we will understand what are the advantage of layout also. Third one point, how to decide a network layout. There are a number of layouts are there, so we'll discuss which one layout will you select for the particular network. Next one thing, how to decide server location. Then next, how to decide repeater and switch or hub location, and last homework session. So let's begin first content of the day, which is network layout and its advantage. So student, we will understand what is network. It is actually plan or design to arrangement of a network, okay, wings and nodes to be laid out as a network layout. Okay student, as we understand in earlier video, what is topology. The topology also the one of the type of the layout also. Actually it is a complementary for the topology, that is network layout, okay, in which we will decide which one topology is best for our particular network. Okay, and its advantage, a good network layout provide the following features, that means to say advantages. First one thing, higher communication speed, then good file sharing, then backup and rollback easy. Backup means sometime it may possible when server is going to be crashed due to some electricity fluctuation, hardware failure or any natural disaster, okay, so it will keep the copy of that particular data in a particular separate computer, okay. And rollback means sometime we are going to restore the data from that particular computer which is backup computer, okay, that is known as rollback. Next one thing, software and hardware sharing, that means to say resource sharing. Next, security, then scalability means whenever we are going to increase our nodes in a network or extend our network, that means to say scalability, there is no problem if we are going to increase the number of nodes in a particular network. Then last is reliability. Next one thing we will understand how to decide a network layout. Okay, there are a number of topology like ring, tree, star, bus, okay, hybrid, mesh, tree. So number of the layouts, I mean to say network say topology are there. So which one we should decide for our network, okay. So here the network layout can be best, okay, which provide the less installation and maintenance cost as well as easy installation and maintenance. So it means to say student, whatever I have explained the features like it provide you better communication speed, I mean to say speed facility, okay, security, backup, rollback facility, etc. So along with that, the particular network, it provide you less installation and maintenance cost, okay, that should be selected for the layout for our network, okay. It is only possible when it is properly designed, okay, and designed with the shortest cable length. So important thing is here student, whenever you are going to design a layout, it should consider shortest length of cable, okay. If the longest length of cable will be you are using, the resistance path will be increased and the data communication speed will be decreased. So that's why we are using shortest length of wire when we are going to design a particular layout for a network, okay, that fulfill our network requirement, okay. So you have to select the shortest length of the wire first, and whatever the requirement of our network, it should be fulfillment, that layout here to select. And now how to decide a network layout, here we will understand through the example. Suppose that here is a Friatech Corporation, FTC is a professional consultancy company, okay, which is spread in a different blocks, okay. The company is planning to set up their new office in India with its hub, okay, that is Udaipur. Hub means a particular place, okay, not the device in this time. So Udaipur is a particular hub and they want to decide, I'm saying design their what thing, layout for a new company setup. Okay, as a network advisor, if you are a network advisor, you will decide how to what thing, design a layout. Okay, and you have to understand their requirement and suggest them to best network layout. So this type of question will definitely come on board students, so keep understand well. Okay, and you will do the practice for that also. So suppose that this is example. So physical location of the block of FTC, that is company. Okay, it is HR block, human resource block, conference block and finance block. So here they will give the table, okay, in meter. So human resource to conference distance is 110 meter, human resource to finance block 40 meter, conference to finance block that is 80 meter. Okay, and here next one thing, block to block distance in meter, that is already discussed. I have taken this picture again here to understand which one topology we are going to use. Same again, human to conference 110, human resource to finance 40, conference to finance 80. So first thing, we will use shortest cable. So let us understand if we are using the bus topology. So human resource to conference, that means to say 110, okay, and conference to finance, that is 80, that means to say 190 meter. Total cable we are required 190 meter. In second condition, if you are going to discuss, if you are taking the first block, that is conference to finance, here you can see that conference to finance 80 meter and finance to human resource, that is 40 meter, you can see that, and the total will be 120 meter. And then finance to human resource, third case, finance to human resource, okay, that meant to say 40 meter. You can use like this also, no need to worry about in a according table. You can use from to from also, okay, or from to also. So finance to human resource, that is 40 meter, and human resource to conference, definitely it will 110, so 150. According to that, 120 meter is best. Okay, but we understand what is the disadvantage of bus topology. If one block will be disconnected, okay, the communication between two block will be never established, okay, or this will be failure. So all can arrange the round robin manner. Okay, so round robin manner means ring topology. Suppose that if you are going to create a ring topology, okay, but wire will require more, okay, a ring topology will increase, that is discard it will increase the cable length. Okay, suppose that if you are using bus topology and at last we are using the wire ring as a form of ring, so that time our first concept will be failed, that means to say shortest length of wire will be failed. Okay, and that time it will require more length of cable. So we are using different topology. So here possible topology is star topology. Okay, so most probably whenever you are using the layout or design, the star topology is best for every, not for every, in most of cases. Okay, so here same thing it is required. Okay, and now we are talking about the star topology. In earlier we have understand bus topology, now star topology. In condition first we will take this human resource to conference, human resource conference 110, and human resource to finance, that is 40, that is 150. In B, finance to conference, here is finance to conference 80 and finance to human resource, that is 40, so 120 meter. Okay, and here conference to finance, okay, that is 80, conference to human resource, that is 110, that is 190. So here you can see that 120 meter has come, that is shortest length of cable you have required. Okay, and here best layout is finance to conference and conference to human being, okay, and finance to human resource as required minimum cable length. So tree topology will be also best due to the only 3 blocks are here. You can see that it looks like tree topology. Okay, understand? Or here star topology. In I have told you most of cases are uses the star topology. If suppose that 4 blocks are there, so that time it will form a, it can be form a star topology or tree topology, one of the child also. So we will require, I am say we will try to convert our layout in a star topology or tree topology. And now how to decide the server location. So now the second question is that what is the number of the computer in a which block. So here In human resource 25 computer are there, finance 120 computer are there, in conference 90 computer are there. So we will decide the finance block as a server block, okay, or server location. Why? Because if there are number of the computer are, I'm say huge number of computer are there as compared to the other blocks, so that time server require less amount of wire to communicate, I may say connect with the other computer, okay, and speed will be fast. Okay, so same way server location can be decided by seeding of the number of, okay, seeing the number of the computer nodes, and to say nodes, whatever computer are connected to the network is termed as node, okay, require in each block of network. Okay, server must be installed at the wing block with a maximum number of the computer due to the maximum load requirement of services in the block whole network. So in the above example, server can be installed in a financial block as I told you. So directly clue is that, student, you have to just install your server in that block where the number of the computer is greater number, I mean to say bigger number. Now how to decide a repeater location? As we know, repeater is a device which enhance or amplify our low signal or weak signal to high amplitude. Okay, so why repeater is required, you know about that. Okay, so we need repeater when the total length of a signal span of the networking cable, that means a twisted pair cable, exceed more than 100 meter or 328 feet. Okay, if the wire is exceed more than 100 meter or 328 feet, then between the interval of every 100 meter we are using a repeater. Okay, that enhance the weak signal amplitude, it amplify it and give the power enhance to reach to the destination or location. Second point, we need the repeater when total length of a single span of cable and coaxial cable is 500 meter. According to the cable also, student, okay, which one cable you are using, okay, according to that the distance will be changed. 100 meter in twisted pair cable and 500 meter in coaxial cable, and a maximum distance of the fiber optic cable link is 8 to 1000 kilometer. Okay, 80 to 100 kilometer. Okay, so as you know, fiber optic cable is fastest transferring information cable, okay, link. By that we require a particular repeater, okay, between the interval of 100 kilometer, approximately we can say that 80 to 100 kilometers. But it depends on very different factors like bit rate, quality of the splices, okay, and total alternation of the distance. Alternation actually a particular thing that will provide us, okay, the distance, I may say duration from one input signal to outer input signal. That means to say, suppose that is a wire, okay, how many minutes it will take to transfer the information from one end to another end, that is known as alternation. Okay, suppose that you can consider a medium, okay, medium can be like a block, okay, if we are providing a signal from one end, and how many second or time it will take to come out from that particular another end signal, okay, termed as alternation. Okay, suppose that we are using 1000 that is kilometer wire and 10 meter wire, alternation will be slow, okay, I mean to say which one alternation greater. So alternation greater will be 1000 kilometer wire, not 10 meter wire, because the signal can be transferred from the this one thing 10 meter wire will be faster as compared to the 100 meter, and quality also. It is also depends on the power of the transmitter and receiver quality also. So student, so we are going to use the repeater, okay, according to the distance of the wire and types of wires, okay, but it also depends on the different factors like bit rate, I am to say transfer bit rate, quality of the pieces, I am to say packets, okay, and total number of alternation distance, okay, and it also depends on the power of the transmitter, how many powerful transmitter it is, okay, how much is that, and receiver quality also. Satellite link require when network block wings are too much far from the each other where installation cable is hard. Okay, so suppose that if you are using a particular area, geographical area where the wiring is not possible, like sea or ocean like situation, that time we are going to use satellite. Okay, For data security, firewall can be installed in a network. Suppose that if you are using a secure connection, okay, in that time we can use the firewall, okay, in a network also. For economic internet connection, okay, that is dial-up internet connection would prefer, but for faster internet broadband services connection would be preferred. How to decide switch and hub location? As you know, what is the role of the switch and hub network device in a network? The answer is always switch when we afford it. I am to say a hub is always half duplex and simply act as a repeater. Okay, suppose that if you are going to just spread our information more than one computer, okay, that time we are going to use a particular hub, okay, and it is also termed as half duplex, which is act as a repeater. Okay, it distribute the signal power, I am to say amplification, in equally in different nodes, I am to say computers or the connections, like in a tree topology. Okay, so in a tree topology, in a star topology, that hub is uses. Okay, the resulting packet is collision when within only two devices. Okay, if there are two devices are connected with the hub which is receiving the same information, that may be collide also. I mean to say information can be crash. So when it make the slower than and using cable, whereas switch intelligently direct the traffic based on the internet MAC address. Okay, that is Ethernet address is also known as MAC address. Okay, so every computer has different MAC address, okay, provided by DNS, that is domain name system, and it is full duplex. So in the place of hub, if you are using switch, there will be no collision of between two devices, because switch provides you the facility to intelligent based redirection of the signals also, okay, with the help of MAC address, and it is full duplex and resulting full speed, okay, to any devices on the network at any same time. In general sense, hub or switch, okay, any devices can be installed when there are more than one computer viewing block. Okay, student, so it means to say we can locate our hub or switch device, okay, in such situation where our computer in a block and spreading the information more than one computer. So now homework section, student, make the note of the day, student, okay, of today networking part. Second one thing, do some question based on layout from your book or older question paper. You can download question paper from the mycbse.com also and send to my WhatsApp number. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.